the day starts with such a nice exercises, physical and mental both. So I find my day very, very good throughout the day. Very nice.
Very good, very good. Great. The idea is, after that also you continue these at your own pace. Please continue that.
Yeah.
It will give you a lot of benefit.
In between for about an year or so, there was a not continuity. Otherwise, I started the yoga and this breathing and there is asanas in 2009.
Right.
With one teacher who was a student of the Nikam Guruji. And I'm doing it, but then for some reason in between there are for 1 year I was irregular. But I think once again I'm getting inspiration from you to restart it once again.
Great, great. That was the basic idea.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning, Sapna ji. Good morning, Ashok ji. Good morning, Shirish.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kishore.
Good morning, Ashok Bhaiya.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Sapna ji.
Good morning, Ashok ji. Namaskar. Namaste. Morning, just sitting with your eyes closed or, gaze at the sky. That is beautiful, beautiful experience. Just gaze at the sky in the early morning. For 5 minutes continuously without anything. It will be amazing relaxation and experience.
Namaskar to everybody.
Namaskar, namaste, Ashok ji.
यार बहुत अच्छी लगती है आजकल, पता नहीं क्या चक्कर है.
Yesterday, were you there, Myra?
No.
Yesterday,
Of course, he was there. No,
were you there for the session? Yesterday, I didn't see him. Maybe he was. His video was closed.
No. Ashok, I left in the last 10-12 minutes because I got an overseas call.
Oh, okay.
I couldn't refuse, so I had to step off.
Okay.
So
Yeah. No issue. No, that's good.
I had told them that it will be late, but then उनका भी time फर्क हो जाता है.
Hope you all are taking warm water with honey and lemon.
गरम पानी.
मैंने देखा वही आपके हाथ में गरम पानी, उसमें हल्का सा नींबू और हनी भी डाल दीजिए अशोक जी, डेली विदाउट फेल डू दैट.
वो डाला है, हनी नहीं डाला है, बट
हनी मस्ट, लेमन एंड हनी मस्ट. थोड़ा सा हनी डालिए. आई मीन डायबिटीज भी होता है, इवन देन वी से कि लिटिल बिट ऑफ हनी इज नीडेड. दैट्स रियली गुड.
Last year, from the time we went to Israel, till date, मेरा consumption 2 नींबू दिन का है. Instead of taking vitamin C or what you call it, say, insist on, I just have 2 nimbus in a day. Lalit, good to see you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
लेकिन अभी ये जो कोरोना है ना, ये सबके घर तक चल के आ गया है, बहुत ही नजदीक आ गया.
Right.
Yesterday was a surprising day for me.
That is why it is all the more important, because like this fear will turn into anxiety slowly. We will not even know, and that will lead to many diseases. 2-4 साल के बाद तो so many diseases will be there in our body. That's the reason, this is the time. In fact, earlier also, this is the time. Please continue with this yoga and meditation at your home on your own. I mean, इसमें कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. We can actually do this. जैसे हम डेली खाते हैं, जैसे हम डेली पीते हैं, that is a routine. We don't leave that. Similarly, we can do this is our dose. आप 15 मिनट निकालिए, आधा घंटा निकालिए, but please do that.
But what is very surprising is that one of my clients, he has not moved out of the house, except one day he went across the road to State Bank, some tech business, and came back. And next day, 2 days later, 3 days later, he got it.
See,
Throughout March to last year, 20 से लेके अभी तक वो घर से निकला नहीं था. उसको I can understand somebody like another friend of mine who will be partying in Goa and this and that. उसको हो गया, उसको होना ही वाला था, because Goa rate is 41%, whereas today rest of the country is at 21% of community or whatever is happening. It is coming so close to everybody. Now I know at least 9 people who are very, very close to me who have either gone through it or got over it, or they are still in the process of. आज की तारीख में ना हो, but गिनती करूं तो कम से कम 32 लोग जो मुझसे connected है कहीं ना कहीं, उनको हो चुका है. 32 लोग.
Can I come in? Yes, madam. Yeah.
You will start
Yeah, just a minute.
I think we can do a Facebook Live, no?
Because already 4 minutes निकल गया.
Yeah.
वो टारगेट लेके चलो विवेक, आप 7:32 पे इंटरप्ट करके you can always say कि I am making it live.
Okay. Yes, sir, we are live.
Shall we start?
Yes, President Kishore, you can.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning, my Rotarians, friends. I welcome you to this 13th session of yoga and meditation by our Rotarian Sapna Priyadarshi. Friends, yoga adds years to our life, but more important is a life to our years, because you learn to pamper your body and mind. So let's pamper it more with our Sapna ji. Sapna, please.
Thank you so much, President Kishore, and a warm welcome and namaste to all our viewers and all my fellow Rotarians. Let us begin the good thing, the real puja, because as we know, the divinity is within us, in our body, in the form of life force that we have. That's nothing but a fraction of that divinity, वही विश्व शक्ति है, वही यूनिवर्सल एनर्जी है जो हमारे अंदर है. छोटे से लेश मात्र उसका एहसास हमारे अंदर. We can actually increase that to a great extent with the help of yoga, meditation and good work that we do all around. We should be doing the good work, good to the society. That is again very important. आप करते रहिए, अच्छा करते रहिए, and you are taken care by him. All right, so let us begin with stand straight. Stand straight. Take a long deep breath in. Hold. And breathe out. Again, take a long deep breath. Breathe out. एक लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. सांस छोड़िए. फिर एक लंबी सांस लीजिए. सांस छोड़िए. Now, let us do Hastapadasana, which is one of the asanas or poses of Surya Namaskar also. Let's do Hastapadasana. उसके पहले एक प्रणाम पोज बनाइए. Inhale deeply and make a pranam pose. Put it in front of you, straight, chest ke paas, and inhale deeply. Exhale in this pose only. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now inhale and take your hands up. लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए अपने हाथों को ऊपर लेके जाइए. सांस रोकिए. And exhale. Touch your feet or the ground or till wherever you can reach. नीचे अपने पैरों को छुइए. फोर्स मत कीजिए, जहां तक आप आ पाए वहां तक करिए. Now inhale and go up. Hold. होल्ड का मतलब होता है ना सांस लीजिए ना छोड़िए. Exhale. Inhale. See, when you are coming from bottom to up, तो अगर आपकी सांस पूरे ऊपर आते आते भी सांस लेने की प्रक्रिया चालू है, that you are inhaling continuously without a break, that means you are increasing the capacity of your lungs. That means you are able to inhale, आपकी breathing system better होती जा रही है. Same thing with exhaling. When you go down, exhale continuous होता रहना चाहिए, सांस लगातार छूटते रहनी चाहिए एक ही बार में, टूटनी नहीं चाहिए. Just see that. Slowly. Inhale. Exhale.
Go ahead.
Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. You must feel the pull in your chest and lungs. Relax. Exhale and relax. Exhale and relax. Yeah. Now let us try doing Trikonasana. अब त्रिकोणासना करते हैं. उसके लिए अपने पैरों को फैला लीजिए थोड़ा. Please spread your legs a little bit. As per your own pace, 1.5 maybe foot distance. Then you need to touch like this. अपने दाहिने से बाएं पैर को छूना है और बाएं से दाहिने को छूना है. So we have to just touch our foot with the right hand to the left and left to right and go down. And while going down, exhaling, while coming up, inhaling. Okay? चलिए शुरू करते हैं. पहले एक लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Inhale and go down. Exhale. ऊपर देखिए. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Inhale. Straight. Join your feet. Relax. Relax. Great. Great. Now, can we try out the chair pose that I taught you one day? हल्के हल्के आपको नीचे इस तरह से जाना है. 1, 2, 1. तो जब नीचे जाएंगे सांस छोड़ेंगे, जब ऊपर आएंगे सांस लेंगे, लंबी सांस लेंगे. We'll have to take long deep breath in while coming up and exhale while going down. So spread your legs a little bit, not much, maybe 7-8 inches or so. Spread your hands in front of you. एक लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Inhale deeply. Exhale and go down. If you can hold, very good. Now inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And you can join your, see, this is a tip I'm giving you. You can join your knees so that you will be able to make the pose rightly and you will be able to hold it correctly. For the beginners, this is very good. So that's how I'm showing you. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, when you go down, you can join. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. This will take care of your knee pain. Initially बढ़ेगा, धीरे-धीरे कम होता जाएगा. All right? Okay. Let's quickly do the cardio. Okay? Front and back. Front and back we'll be doing. And people sitting at the chair, जैसे पहले भी बताया था, they'll be just doing their legs like this. They can lift their feet off the ground, and they can do their hands like this while sitting on the chair itself. The rest, do with me, start, come on. Okay, जैसे ऐसे किया था वैसे ही ऐसे करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. आगे पीछे जाएंगे पैर. There should be a distance of about a feet when you go front and back. आगे पीछे जब आप जाते हैं तो distance होनी चाहिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Great. एक पैर आगे, एक पैर पीछे, right? Like this. Okay. Great. Relax. Relax. Now, do the chest opening. Bring your hands in front. Join your palms. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale and open your arms. Okay? Take your hands back. Inhale. Exhale. While exhaling, come front. सांस लेते हुए पीछे जाइए, छोड़ते हुए आगे आइए. Try to open your chest. Right, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. You should take deep inhalation and exhalation. Front, exhale and inhale, go back. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए और छोड़िए. सांस लीजिए, पीछे जाइए, छोड़िए, आगे आइए. Great. Cool. Right. Fantastic. Okay. Fine. Now, just sit down with ease. आराम से बैठ जाइए. Anyone wants to spread legs for some time can do that, because everyone has a different capacity of the body and capability. तो अगर आपको लगे कि आपने जो भी किया है उससे थोड़ा बहुत uncomfortable महसूस कर रहे हैं, you can just spread your legs. Okay, and rotate your palms on your knees. हल्के से ऐसे. ठीक है? You will feel better. Okay. Sit in the cross-legged position. Now what we need to do is, आपको याद होगा एक दिन मैंने आपको सिखाया था, बहुत कमाल का ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक है. Make your hands fist. ऐसे मुट्ठियां बीच लीजिए. सामने रखिए नेवल के नीचे, नीचे के हिस्से पे. And you should put pressure. कस के ऐसे प्रेशर डालना है. Inhale, लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Exhale करते हुए नीचे जाइए, जितना नीचे आप जा सकते हैं. If you can touch the ground, fantastic. अगर आप जमीन को छू सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छा. So inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Great. Now the same version I want you people to do on Vajrasana if you can do. Vajrasana is very simple, kneel down position. जो नहीं कर पाएंगे वो ऐसे ही बैठेंगे. ठीक है? So make a kneel down position जैसे हम पहले बनाया करते थे while in school. And again the tip is that spread like this. इस तरह से एड़ियों को खोल लीजिए and you can sit between them. So that will be easy for you. ऐसे, है ना, इस तरह से आप बैठ सकते हैं. Your heels are little wide, you're sitting in between them, but V pose. Your toes have completely joined. आपके जो अंगूठे हैं वो आपस में जुड़ चुके हैं पैर के. Okay? Now, take your hands up. अपने हाथों को ऊपर लेके जाएंगे, एक लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए और सांस छोड़ते हुए आप सामने जाएंगे. टच द ग्राउंड. आप जमीन को छुएंगे, आपका सर नीचे लगेगा, माथा नीचे लगेगा और रोकेंगे. चाइल्ड पोज, शिशु आसना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. होल्ड द पोज. Now inhale and go up. Inhale कीजिए और ऊपर जाइए. Exhale down. Inhale and up. इस तरह से. Let me show you the front pose now. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Up. Hold. Now in the same position, inhale and exhale. हाथों को ऊपर रखें. Chest full होगा, lungs full होंगे. If you face little discomfort like this, then you can just interlock your fingers and you can face your palms upward or downward, putting at your head. Or like this, okay? लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You should feel the pull, in your stomach, lungs area, heart. You will feel that pull when you go up. Stretch your body upward and inhale deeply. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठेंगे. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. ध्यान रहे, you should be still sitting on your, feet or heels. उठने का मतलब है टच के साथ ही आप बॉडी को पुल करेंगे. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. This is also putting pressure on your intestines. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Great. Put your hands down. Slowly spread your legs. पहले left side का पैर खोलिए by putting a pressure a little bit on the ground with your palm, right palm, and then open the legs. You can spread them in between when you're doing at home. All right. Little bit of pampering to your feet, your legs. जैसे कल भी बताया था, we are using our body like anything. It is such a good friend of ours. We don't take care of it. फिर भी हमारा साथ देते जाती है. So please take care of it. Right? Okay. Now let us begin with Adha Pranayama. बैठ जाइए in a cross-legged position. People who can sit in Padmasana, great. Now, what you should do is start with Anulom Vilom. I told you Nadi Shuddha, Anulom Vilom. थोड़ा सा अंतर है दोनों में. Focus on your inhalation and exhalation. Start from anyone knows. Let's start from right. पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ. You have to make thumb position like this. The first 2 fingers join at the base of thumb. पहले 2 उंगलियों को अपने अंगूठे के बेस पर लगाइए. तर्जनी और ring finger को खुला छोड़िए. And your thumb should also be free. आपका thumb भी free होना चाहिए. And use your ring finger and thumb. You'll be able to do very easily. Okay. Start. Inhale deeply. Hold the breath. And exhale from the other nose. Inhale from the other nose that you have exhaled. अभी जिससे सांस छोड़ी है उसी से सांस खींचनी है. रोकिए और दूसरी नाक से छोड़िए. अब लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए जिस नाक से छोड़ा है और दूसरी से छोड़िए. Inhale from your left nose. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Hold and exhale from the right. लंबी गहरी सांस लेने के बाद सांस को रोकिएगा जरूर, क्योंकि जो ऑक्सीजन आपने अंदर ली है उसको फैलने तो दीजिए, अपने शरीर तक जाने तो दीजिए, हर हिस्से में जाने तो दीजिए. And then exhale. Inhale and exhale. People say we are not able to hold. That means आपकी कैपेसिटी कम हो रही है. Please practice it more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. पहले भी कहा था खिड़की के पास खड़े होइए दिन में, सुबह सुबह, शाम को जब ठंडी हवा आती है, ब्रीज आ रही है. You all must be experiencing that. So please try to inhale that at that particular time. That is, best time to inhale and exhale. Standing there. Do for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Normally, जरूरी नहीं आपको प्राणायाम करना है, आपको ब्रीथ करते रहना है. खड़े होकर के लंबी सांस लीजिए, रोकिए और छोड़िए, लीजिए, रोकिए, छोड़िए. That is fantastic that you'll be doing. Early morning, मतलब हमारे इसके बाद भी आप कर सकते हैं. When we stop these sessions, countdown has begun already, reverse countdown. Okay, तो कुछ दिन के बाद आप free होंगे. Please keep on doing that. But evening, you can always do that. Right? Inhale and exhale. Inhale, hold and exhale. Inhale, hold and exhale. Inhale, hold and exhale. Inhale, hold and exhale. Relax. The best exercise to inhale oxygen. Anulom Vilom. This will help you. आपको काउंट पे ध्यान नहीं देना है. मैंने 50 कर लिए, मैंने 100 कर लिए. प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. जितना धीरे करेंगे आपके लिए फायदा होगा. लंबी गहरी सांस लेनी है, रोकनी है कुछ सेकेंड्स तक. हम तो 1-1 मिनट, 1.5 मिनट लंबा भी कर लेते हैं, 2 मिनट. बट यू डू फ्यू सेकेंड्स. ओके, अपने कंफर्ट लेवल के साथ. Don't challenge yourself, please. Okay, great. Now let us do Kapalbhati. Others having acidity, severe acidity problem, please don't do Kapalbhati. They continue with Anulom Vilom. Okay, so let's start with a slow round of Kapalbhati. मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ directly don't go for this. Let's go slow. So लंबी गहरी सांस लेनी है, feel करना है कि स्टमक तक गई तो imagine, close your eyes. And imagine that you are inhaling and that breath is going in. That coordination with your brain and your body is compulsory. तभी आप ये जो प्राणायाम and anything you are doing, this will help you. वरना इसका कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. So your brain has to tell yes, happily accept it. है ना? चलिए start. Inhale. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए, पेट को फुलाइए, सांस को रोकिए और अब जोर से एक्सहेल करिए. पेट अंदर जाएगा. While exhaling, सांस छोड़ते हुए पेट अंदर जाएगा. While you exhale, your stomach, your tummy, your belly will go in. Great. Inhale. Stop. And exhale. Inhale. 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 And exhale. Chali, let's go to the faster version of Kapalbhati. Okay, inhale and exhale, and you should blow, keep blowing your stomach and contracting inside. Okay, पेट को फुलाना है, छोड़ना है, इस तरह से अंदर जाए. ठीक है, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. जब आप तेज करते हैं, तेज से मेरा मतलब है कि you are inhaling deeply with the pressure and exhaling with the pressure, then you must experience the pain in your neck, lower part of your neck, shoulders, side waist and lower back. If that is happening, meaning your Kapalbhati, you are doing very good, in a very right way. It is working in your body. और आप कर रहे हैं और आपको कुछ भी नहीं दर्द हो रहा है, कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है, that means, I mean, you're just doing for the sake of doing, है ना? Okay, one more round. Second के बाद नेक एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. Let's increase our capacity. Okay. Great. Vivek, I request you बीच बीच में आप थोड़ा दूसरों को भी दिखाते रहिए. You can show me the other people also. Relax. And now let us do our neck exercise. Inhale and left. Left में जाके रुक जाइए. Stop at the left and exhale. Now keep inhaling and come to right. Stop and exhale. Inhale and left. सांस छोड़िए. लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए राइट को आइए, गर्दन को घुमाते हुए. अब सांस छोड़िए. अब लेफ्ट जाइए सांस लेते हुए. एक्सहेल, सांस छोड़िए. राइट, लेफ्ट, राइट, लेफ्ट, राइट, center. Relax. Another Kapalbhati round. Great. Tightness in the neck. Rotate your neck. 1, सांस लेते हुए और छोड़ते हुए. 2, धीरे से. 3, and anti-clockwise now. Rotate your neck. 1, 2, 3. When you rotate, make sure that you keep inhaling throughout, and when you come front, you exhale. And when you go back, you should feel the pull in your neck. ये area पूरा pull feel होना चाहिए, like this. Okay? All right. Now let us do Bhastrika. In Bhastrika Pranayama, and please keep making this mudra, either Samana Mudra or Jnana Mudra. Jnana Mudra, just Chin Mudra, where you are just touching the thumb tip and your index finger tip. Okay, in Bhastrika, the sound will come only, the inhalation will come only till chest. आपकी जो सांस आएगी वो chest तक आएगी, वहीं से निकलेगी. So exercise for lungs. Start. थोड़ा धीरे करना है पहले, हाँ. First round slow. अंदर तक आए, भर जाए lungs में और फिर निकाल दीजिए. Carbon dioxide will go out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold किया and exhale. Inhale. Hold and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Great. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let's do the faster round now. Shoulder movements, automatically when you inhale till your chest, your shoulder will move faster. Come on, do it. Stop. You must have felt a great dryness in your neck, throat, tightness in your shoulder, the back neck, the upper neck. Now relax and bend your head down. And inhale, go up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Okay. Now let us contract a little bit of our lungs. So what you do is inhale deeply and bend your body down like this, sitting in the same cross-legged position. ठीक है? एक लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Hold, and while exhaling, go down. When you're inhaling, your lungs are expanding like this, okay? Exhale and go down. Hold. Inhale and come. See, when you do this, your spine is getting, spread. Your back, lower back is taken care. And your belly, this area, lower belly, you're putting pressure there with your heel because you're sitting in that position. And tightness around your intestines. ठीक है, ऊपर जाते हुए lungs expand कर रहे हैं, नीचे आते हुए आप बाकी area को tight कर रहे हैं. So that is something good. Inhale. Hold. Body ऊपर जाएगी जब आप inhale करेंगे. आप खींच रहे हैं अपने पेट को, अपनी गर्दन को, अपने सर को. And exhale, go down. सांस छोड़ते हुए नीचे जाइए. हो सके तो जमीन को छुइए अपने सर से. If you can touch the ground with your head, great. If you can't, no problem. Go as much as you can, like this also chalega. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Normally exhale and relax. Now spread your legs in front. Spread your legs in front. Great. Put your palms aside, resting on the ground, and please do the leg exercises. Turn your feet inward and then outward. Inward, touch the ground, and outward, touch the ground. Inward, अंदर मोड़िए, अपने पैरों को और फिर बाहर लेके जाइए इस तरह से एंड टच द ग्राउंड. ओके, इन एंड आउट, इन एंड आउट. Be straight, spread your spine. In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. So this will help you to circulate your blood in your feet because it got little, in and out, in and out, in and out. Okay, now rotate clockwise, touching the ground both the sides. Right, come on, very good. Rotate clockwise, yeah. Now anti-clockwise, 1, 2, 3. Now can you just bend forward your feet? आगे की तरफ अपने पैरों को झुकाइए थोड़ा इस तरह से. You will feel the pull in your knee, ankle and calves. Then up. Now you're feeling the pull in your calves. अब पैर के नीचे के हिस्से में आपको खिंचावट महसूस होगी. Now front, back, front and back, front and back. Okay. Now with your legs spread, with spine straight, please take your hands up. People who are sitting on the chair, please try doing while in a sitting position only. Take your hands up. And down, try to touch your feet. Toes ko touch kijiye. Inhale and come up. Exhale and touch. Inhale and come up. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Now people sitting at the chair, they can, while sitting itself, as I told you, they can do this. Touch the feet and up. Touch the feet and up. Okay? Fine. Now can we just do 5 minutes Bhramari? You can either sit like this, spreading your palms facing upward, putting them on the laps. आप अपने हथेलियों को अपने जांघों पर रख लीजिए. Make chin mudra, ज्ञान मुद्रा या फिर समान मुद्रा या normal. Rest can block their ears. कानों को बंद करके, आंखों को बंद करके, सामने उंगलियां लगा के. The idea, the logic is, अच्छा हम ऐसे नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम कानों को बंद नहीं कर रहे हैं तो गलत कर रहे हैं. No, this is not wrong. I told earlier also, this is only that you don't want to hear the sound from outside. Now here you can leave this because you can hear me. All right? But normally when you do at home, block your ears. आगे की ये दो उंगलियां आपकी ring finger and all you can put on your eyelids and index finger in the top. और ध्यान आपका उस vibrating sound पे होगा. जो sound आप निकालेंगे. Right? And I told you, please imagine that sound, vibration पे ध्यान दीजिए. You should be just internally imagining that you are cleaning your internal part. That is more important. Okay, start. Start from the root chakra. When you make this vibrating sound, please keep imagining that in a circular manner, round manner, वो clockwise हो या anti-clockwise हो, you are cleansing your body. Internally imagine करिए वो vibrating sound एक energy create कर रहा है वहाँ पर और वो energy clean करती हुई आ रही है अंदर का part, all your chakras, all your internal center body. It is cleaning. Center body को clean करते हुए ऐसे 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 ऊपर तक आ रही है, फिर ऊपर से नीचे जा रही है. You know, like this. So do it again. You've reached top. Now from top to bottom. Started with your crown chakra. नीचे आए. गर्दन में, you are in neck. Further below, chest, lungs, stomach, and you are in your root chakra now. Bottom to top. Top to bottom. Bottom to top. Great. Relax. Relax. When you do at home, please do it for a longer time. Okay? Say about 10 to 15 minutes or 10 minutes minimum do Brahmari. Okay? This Brahmari you should be doing for 10 minutes at least at home. As I told you earlier also, this is the exercise, this is the breathing technique which will create nitric oxide more and more in you and will not allow any kind of a virus to get into our body. All right? So, relax now. Let's quickly come into the calm pose. Calm pose. All right. Let us do a small meditation because, as I told you, your mind, your brain is everything. You talk to your brain, दिन में अपने दिमाग से बातें करते रहिए. You keep talking to it, and trust me, it will do what you want. Because we use only 5% of our brain, our subconscious mind. 95% power we don't even use. So meditation is a technique, and don't really bother ऐसे करना चाहिए, वैसे करना चाहिए. You can sit at home, close your eyes, just be to yourself. हल्का सा म्यूजिक लगा दीजिए and just be to yourself. ऐसा मोमेंट आए कि आप खो जाए, अच्छा बीच में क्या हुआ पता ही नहीं चला. That is what the meditation is all about. That's it, just to be yourself. ठीक है? चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Close your eyes. Sit in the cross-legged position. Okay? Vivek, I'll use mic.
Just a minute.
All right. 1 minute, Vivek. 1 minute. 1 second. Till then, please keep on breathe in and breathe out. Till then, please keep on breathe in and breathe out. I want everyone to just keep on doing breathing in and breathing out. Give me a second. Till then. Okay. Yes, Vivek, I'm ready. Great. Close your eyes. Sit in the cross-legged position. Keeping your hands on your lap. अपने हथेलियों को अपने जांघों के ऊपर रख लीजिए. घुटनों के ऊपर रख लीजिए. Now, take a deep breath in. एक लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. ये सांस आपका साथी है. This breath of yours is your friend. Take a long deep breath in and breathe out from your mouth. Long breath in, breathe out from your mouth. एक लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए और अपने मुंह के द्वारा छोड़िए. फिर लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए, मुंह के द्वारा छोड़िए. Now just relax. स्थिर हो जाइए. अब आप सांसें लेंगे और मैं 1 to 20 काउंट करूंगी और हर काउंट के साथ आपका फोकस अपनी सांस पे जाएगा और धीरे धीरे आप अंदर जाएंगे और अंदर जाएंगे और गहरे जाएंगे. सांस लीजिए, सांस छोड़िए. With every count of mine, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. आपकी सांस और स्थिर हो रही है. Your focus on your breath is more. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are with you, completely within you. You are inside your body. You've gone inside your body. आप अपने शरीर के अंदर गए हैं. आपका ध्यान आपके शरीर के अंदर गया है. धीरे धीरे आप और गहरे जा रहे हैं. धीरे 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 इमेजिन करिए आप सर से गर्दन पे पहुंचे. आपका ध्यान गर्दन के अंदर है. You are inside your neck. Imagine the area. You're going further down. Your chest area. सांस लीजिए, सांस छोड़िए और नीचे जाइए. Lungs, stomach, intestines, and you reach completely down at your root chakra. center of your completely lower abdomen, totally down, near your uterus and anal, the center point. ये आपका मूलाधार चक्र है, आपका रूट चक्र है. सिर्फ ध्यान वहां देना है. The root chakra is 1 inch below where your spine ends. जहाँ आपकी spine खत्म होती है, उसके नीचे 1 इंच के नीचे मध्य में आपके शरीर में ये crown chakra है. Imagine कीजिए इसे. Focus your attention at your root chakra. बस ध्यान वहीं लगाए रखिए. और आप देख रहे हैं कि वहां उस एरिया में आपको लाल रंग की गुलाब की पंखुड़ियां दिख रही है, जैसे रोज पेटल्स, ऑल दी रोज पेटल्स, broken rose petals are filling that area. The root chakra all around, the lower area all around, वो आपके पेट के एकदम नीचे का जो हिस्सा है, बॉडी के अंदर का हिस्सा है, वो लाल रंग के गुलाब की पंखुड़ियों से भर गया है. So beautiful. See this. So beautiful. Can you see how the red petals of roses? Just see them, imagine them. With center point all around the red color. Rose petals. Feel them, see them. Just imagine all the petals of rose red. लाल गुलाब की पंखुड़ियों से भर गया है वो नीचे का हिस्सा आपका. नीचे का हिस्सा पूरा लाल रंग की गुलाब की पंखुड़ियां हैं, वो धीरे धीरे सेटल होती जा रही है वहां पे. These petals are getting settled there. They are becoming hard at that area. These petals are becoming hard. ये गुलाब की पंखुड़ियां वहां हार्ड होती जा रही हैं, मानो कि आपके रूट चक्र को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर रही हो. And that your root chakra is taking the energy. Imagine red color की एनर्जी खींच रहा है आपका रूट चक्र. You're feeling it. You're feeling with that red color. The root chakra. Imagine. Wow, कैसा लग रहा है आपको? What are you imagining? See that. Beautiful. It's beautiful all around red color. These all the rose petals have turned into the complete red color. इन गुलाब की लाल गुलाब की पंखुड़ियों से एक नेचुरल कलर बन गया है यहाँ पर. और ये नीचे का हिस्सा पूरा का पूरा लाल रंग से भर गया है. देखिए उसे, देखिए किस तरह से लाल रंग से भर गया है. Just imagine the red color completely in that lower area. It's filling that area. It's making you strong. You become mentally strong. You become mentally strong. You don't have any fear anymore. Business की चिंता नहीं. कोई परेशानी नहीं. यहाँ पे एकदम स्थिर है. एकदम स्थिर है यहाँ. See. This is the color which is making you happy, stable. Wow. ये पूरा एरिया आपने लाल कलर से भर दिया है, सेटल कर दिया है. Completely settled. Now slowly come out. धीरे धीरे लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Happily you are coming upward. धीरे धीरे ऊपर आइए, क्राउन चक्रा के पास आइए, and focus your attention at crown chakra. Imagine a white light, white aura all around you that has protected you. आपके चारों तरफ एक सफेद एनर्जी का कवच बन गया है जो आपको प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है. Beautiful. You are protected. You are protected. You are protected. Now, slowly, slowly, take a breath in and out. Breath in and out. Now you are happy and say along with me, I in my lifetime will not harm anybody's body or mind or my body or mind. I in my lifetime will not harm anybody's body or mind or my body or mind. I will try to help others who are suffering. I will try to help others who are suffering. Let this peace prevail on us, around us, throughout the world. Peace, peace, peace. Let everyone be at peace. Peace, peace. Take your hands up. अपने हाथों को ऊपर ले जाइए, जोड़िए, हथेलियों को मलिए, rub your palms and put them on your eyelid for a few seconds. You feel very good. Now touch your entire body. चेहरे को छूते हुए, touch your entire body and come down. Now slowly, very slowly, open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Yes. Thank you, everyone. Vivek, I'll take the mic off. Can you please give me a minute? I'm done.
Yeah, friends, what a refreshing experience. Anyone wants to ask any questions, please? So any questions?
Unmute. Unmuted.
Unmute everyone.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Now I request our member of our core committee, very efficient treasurer, lovely lady, excellent human being, our Rotarian Nina Thakkar, to give a vote of thanks, please.
Oh,
Thank you for this opportunity. Sapna Guruji. Yes, I picked this from Kunal. Guruji. अच्छा लगता है बोलने में भी. आपको सुनने में भी अच्छा लगता होगा. Okay. Happiness is yog, and more yog. In truth, yog does not take time. It gives time. Thank you, Sapna ji, for bringing us this happiness and all the time. And thank you for your precious time that you spend with us every morning. And that is going on till 21 days. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nina. And tomorrow we have a special guest here, Dr. Mickey Mehta, a global leading holistic guru, and is a corporate life coach. So I look forward all of you to be here. I mean, let's learn some new things from Dr. Mickey also. So friends, I will see you all tomorrow at 7:30 sharp. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Healthy stability.